going to be drawing some Marshmello, the DJ. I have done a time lapse, so please go check that out. That is in my drawing section on my channel. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications when I upload new videos. Let's get into it. This is just a regular video rather than a time lapse. Hope you enjoy. I will teach you step by step. So, first of all, we're going to start with the helmet. So what we're going to have to do is get like a curved line, a bit like that. And then what you want to do is do the same on the other side, but the opposite way, so like that. And then you're going to make a rounded bit round the bottom to make his helmet look more round. And then at the top we're going to do a dip down like that, so it will look a bit like a bucket. And then we're going to do a line over, but instead it's going to be going over like a rainbow rather than like a bucket shape. So basically, now we've drawn the helmet part, we want to get in the eyes. So just draw a similar shape to that, and then you can turn it and just copy that pattern all the way around. Obviously you can make it smaller, it's just I'm making it quite big. So there, we've got the two X for the eyes, just shade that in. Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to move on to the mouth. So just draw like a rounded bit, a bit like that, so it's like a hook. And then draw it down and round like that. And then like that. And then just quickly shade that in. And that's the helmet. So next up, we're going to move on to the neck. So that will go just here. So what I want you to do is to get a line that is curved so we can go into the shoulder. And do the same on the other side. And then what I want you to do is carry on that line up until about the edge of his helmet. And then do the same on the other side. And then what I want you to do is on these corners, I want you to curve it off. So curve it down. And that's when we're going into the body. So just a simple little curve, a bit like that. Try not to make his body wider than it is, but it doesn't matter if it's a little bit wider. But then what you want to do is we're going to draw down. So this is the start of the arm. So we're going to draw down, I'd say, about 2 centimetres. And do the same on the other side. There. And then, if you come over to this part of the arm and this part, start on this side. We're going to draw a bent line, just like that, and then do the same on the other side. And now we can start going up towards the body. and draw two lines like that, but don't touch the very top, because otherwise it won't look like his arms are there. It will just look like a Minecraft player or something, or you know what I mean. So now from where the arm starts, we're gonna bring it down a line, and we're gonna bring it down again. So we're starting on his legs now, and then do the same as what you did with the arms. Curve the bottom, and then once you've done that, I'll give you a couple of seconds to do that. Right, so what I want you to do now is you draw a straight line but diagonally, and then do the same on the other side but join that up but go a little bit higher than what that is, and then draw a line across to mark off where the trousers are. Okay, so now we have finished the body and we're going to move on to the details now. We need to put in the hands and the shoes first, and I will teach you how to do that. So what I want you to do is draw a tiny line there. Everyone done that? Right. And then draw a curve like that. And then draw a line like that. So that will be where the thumb is. And then you can just do the fingers. Obviously, I haven't done many fingers, but and then just do it the opposite way. So there. Obviously, do more fingers at home. I'll just add a quick more. There we go. So now, what I want you to do is, so you see where we marked off the hand, I want you to go around that again and do the same on the other side. Right, once you've done that, draw two lines in there, do the same on the other side. So that's like the edge of the sleeves. Do the same on the legs. And then do the same on the trouser, or wherever you are, jeans or whatever. Do the same on there. So now we've drawn out the body part, we want to get in the neckline. So draw in a curved line like that, starting from where the neck is, and then do the same on the other side but the opposite way. So there, now you've done that, I want you to draw a line just round the neck bit. So now it looks like you've got the neck and then the edge. And do the same with the lines that you did with like the hands and stuff, but put it over there. And to add a bit of detail to the t-shirt, I want you to draw a little line like that, and then a longer line like that. So it looks like it's creased. And then what I want you to do is come over to the trouser leg and draw an up line, but make sure it's like small, so it looks like a rip in the trouser leg. So now we're going to curve that bit off, just like that, and then just do another one, but a bit smaller. So that's the details on the trousers. And now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the shoes. Now the shoes is fairly simple, but if you're new and haven't done drawing a lot, it can be difficult. So what I want you to do is do a curve down on each side, like that. And then a curved line going round. So it looks like this. And then a line down, like that. And then draw a line going around the bottom to make like the bottom of the shoe. And then just do a couple little lines to look like laces and do the same on the other side. So there you have it. That is our marshmallow picture. I hope you've enjoyed today. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching.